Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a location on Wizz app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, open up your Wizz app on your phone, make sure you're signed in, and this is how your home section appears. Now from over here, you're gonna go to your profile icon in the bottom right section, and then you're gonna simply go ahead, check out your information. In the bottom section you can see my accounts option will pop up on top. You'll find this option of location right over there. Go ahead, tap on the location, and you can see we are currently setting up this account in this country. As soon as enough people join, you will be able to select your location. So for me to simply change my location preferences and change it totally, I need to have enough people in my Wizz app, enough friends for me. Then I will have country options along right over there. Once you have got them, you can choose them accordingly and set it right over there. So if you have just created an account, you have to wait for a while till you get tons of friends for you. Once you have done that, you will be able to simply change your location to however you want. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.